start at a basic level and concentrate on keeping the ball under control, keeping your head up, push your bum down and keep your back straight. Feel the ball in your fingertips. Alternate between the hands right and left. Moving on to the crossover dribble. Pushing the ball with your fingertips from right to left. Maintaining the position and keeping your hands soft and your head up. Moving on, you continue with this drill but adding your guard on. The non-dribbling hand and arm is pushed out in front to protect the ball. In game situations, this is a good skill to stop defenders reaching in and stealing the ball. To perfect the skill, try and keep the ball under control and dribble it no higher than your hip. The next skill is to perform 10 dribbles on each hand, starting with low dribbles below the knee. Moving on to hip high dribbles, keeping the ball controlled, switching hands. And finally the crossover dribble, dribbling the ball between right and left, maintaining soft hands, keeping the ball below your knee. You can move on using 2 balls, maintain all the same skills, head up, back straight, bum down. Moving on to further progression, dribble the ball with one hand, add in a partner and a tennis ball, dribble with one hand, your partner throwing the tennis ball with the other. This improves good hand-eye coordination. Further progression is to dribble the ball through the legs, still maintaining throw and catch of the tennis ball, keeping your head up, keeping your knees soft and switching hands.